Hi, right now I'm going to be doing the hands-on lab for Newton's laws for this class. I'm going to be doing the coin section for my one of three things. I have my coin right here. This is a quarter. I just have a basic sheet of scratch paper right here for my tablecloth. And instead of my uh, unbreakable object, I have a 10-pound dumbbell with me for my to do my extra few trials. That'll be my substitute. I'm going to kind of just explain this lab as I'm doing it. I'll tilt this down so you can see. Here's my coin. My prediction is obviously if I pull hard enough, then I'll be able to pull the coin, or to pull the sheet without moving the coin very much. Yeah, as you can see, the coin moved very little. I would just say a few millimeters. I'll do it one more time. Yeah, again, just moved very little position, just a few millimeters. Now I'm going to try the 10-pound dumbbell. My prediction is, I'll take that off the test. My prediction is that because it's a lot more weight and a lot bigger object, I'll be able to, or the paper will either rip or I'll just pull the object a lot more than I did the coin. Obviously, I was not able to pull the paper off that time. The weight was too much. I'll do it one more time. Yeah, I ripped the paper a little bit down here. And the weight moved a lot more. I would say maybe 1 or 2 inches, whereas the coin just moved a few millimeters. I'll just do the questions right on this video. Number one was which of Newton's laws applies to the slab? Explain fully. I would say Newton's second law, which is the force equals mass times acceleration. And I say that because while the coin is a much smaller object in size, weight, and mass, I was able to easily pull the paper out from under it. Just because the friction it wasn't big enough of an object to hold. So that I'll show you. If I pull the paper slowly, then the coin will come with me because the size of the object, because the friction is holding. But if I pull too fast, well, I moved a little more than normal, but I was able to get the paper out from under it. Whereas with the dumbbell, if I pull it kind of slow, that too, it'll also pull just like the coin. However, if I try to pull it faster, then obviously the dumbbell does not move. Number two, were you able to move the coin without disrupting it? As you saw at the beginning of the video, I did. It moved. Well, I didn't not disturb it entirely, but it only moved a few millimeters. Why is this trick possible? And I said because the friction of the object is a lot less weak than it is, or it's a lot. It's very weak when you pull the paper out with a lot of acceleration when you pull it very fast. Compared to when if you just slowly drag the paper off because the friction will hold strong. Number four, if you tried the tablecloth trick, explain your observations. The tablecloth trick I did with a 10-pound dumbbell, and obviously you saw I wasn't able to get the paper out from under it successfully. I even ripped the paper a little bit. Yeah.